Are you constantly overwhelmed by tasks? Are your team members overloaded and missing deadlines? You might be struggling with ineffective delegation. Delegating effectively can be the difference between a team that thrives and a team that struggles. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 task delegation techniques that can help you maximize your team's efficiency and free up your time for strategic work. Why task delegation matters. Delegation is one of the most powerful tools for managers, yet many struggle with it. When done right, delegation reduces workload, empowers your team, and increases overall efficiency. But when done poorly, it can lead to burnout, missed deadlines, and even project failures. You, as a manager, are not just responsible for assigning tasks, you are responsible for enabling your team to succeed. Mastering delegation will allow you to focus on high-impact work while your team takes care of the rest. Technique 1. Identify the right tasks to delegate. The first step is knowing which tasks to delegate. Not all tasks are suitable for delegation. As a manager, focus on tasks that are time-consuming, repetitive, or can be done by someone else. For example, administrative tasks like scheduling meetings or preparing reports can easily be delegated. However, strategic decisions or highly sensitive tasks should remain in your hands. The key is to identify which tasks will free up your time without sacrificing quality. Technique 2. Match tasks to team strengths. Delegating isn't just about passing off work. It's about finding the right person for the right task. Take time to understand your team's skills, strengths, and even weaknesses. For example, a team member who excels at data analysis can be assigned reporting tasks, while someone who thrives in creative work can handle brainstorming sessions. Matching tasks with skills not only ensures success, but also keeps your team engaged and motivated. Technique 3. Provide clear instructions. Once you've identified the task and the person, the next step is providing clear instructions. Without clarity, even the best-intentioned delegation can go wrong. Be specific about what needs to be done, how it should be done, and the deadlines. Instead of vague directions like "handle this project," say "complete this report by Friday" with a summary of customer trends and specific recommendations. This avoids confusion and ensures the task is completed to your expectations. Technique 4. Empower and trust your team. Delegation only works if you trust your team to get the job done. Micromanaging undermines delegation and can lead to frustration on both sides. Instead, empower your team by giving them the space and autonomy to complete the task. Regular check-ins are important, but let them work independently. For example, set up a weekly meeting to review progress, rather than constantly checking in on every small detail. This builds trust, confidence, and independence within the team. Technique 5. Follow up and provide feedback. Delegation doesn't end once the task is handed over. Following up is critical to ensure everything stays on track. Checking in on progress allows you to make adjustments if needed and provide guidance. Once the task is completed, give feedback, both positive and constructive. Celebrate successes and address areas for improvement. This not only reinforces accountability but also helps your team grow. Regular follow-up helps you fine-tune your delegation process over time. To recap, effective delegation involves identifying the right tasks to delegate, matching tasks to team strengths, providing clear instructions, empowering your team, and following up with feedback. By implementing these techniques, you can optimize your team's efficiency, foster growth, and focus on what truly matters, leading your team to success. Delegation is a skill that takes practice, but once mastered, it can transform your leadership and your team's productivity. Start applying these techniques today and see the difference. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to manage your team effectively.